Let's get started setting up parental controls on your Rogers Xfinity TV. The first step is creating profiles for each user in your household. These profiles allow you to tailor content based on age and preferences. Log into the Xfinity app on your phone or tablet, or go to xfinity.com/account on your computer. Navigate to the Parental Controls section. Here, you can create a new profile, giving it a name and assigning an age. Once the profile is created, you can set content restrictions based on TV ratings like G, PG, PG-13, R, or by specific channels. For example, you can block all R-rated movies or restrict access to premium sports channels for a child's profile. Don't forget to set a unique PIN for the profile to prevent unauthorized access or changes. Channel locks allow you to block specific channels that may not be appropriate for all viewers in your household. Rating locks enforce age-based limits, ensuring that only content with approved ratings can be viewed on a particular profile. Purchase locks are crucial for preventing accidental or unauthorized in-app purchases on your account. Finally, time locks enable you to schedule viewing windows, such as setting a no TV after 9 p.m. curfew for family members. All these locks are managed within the Parental Controls section of the Xfinity app or website. Remember to regularly review usage reports to see what your kids are watching and adjust the settings as needed.